House, can you stop goofing around? Look what have you done to us? What happened? What do you mean? Nothing happened to us. Did I just see Peter? You mean me? I think so. I have nightmares. Peter's your nightmare? Get off. What happened to my shirt? Why is it black? Where's my bag? Went missing last. Okay, that was either a little weird, but I don't know what happens to us. I'm flying! We don't care about the... I'm doing my hands flying up the sky. After something, Arthur. Hey guys, hello. It's not like we'll never sing on the show. What do you say? I hate you. You hit me into the distance. Stop it. How about you do something right now? What the heck? What did you do? A swallow. He didn't swallow and come down. And now my body is like this. And no. No, we better have. It was so faint like him. I didn't even fight. I'm sorry. I don't know. You're sorry. I didn't even fight. My sister. That's her, Robert. He said, "No, don't say that. Don't should I dare." I need to get back in the pot. Can I help you? No. Okay. Sorry. What is wrong with it? Yeah, I've been asking this question. What's wrong with this? Why are we being like this? Oh no! Get out of here! I don't need you. Where's the evil eye? Mine? You say I don't have an evil eye. I'll have to ask you. I Stop stabbing us. Why do you have that? Try be cool because I have a cool power 20. When I join this, my what's cool power 20? Let me see if it does. There's so much bodies! What did he do now? Something is going. How? Phew, that was gross. What did you do to Animal Rumble? He didn't do anything. Here's squid. Wait, you're actually correct. You finally did something for once. Oh my god. I think you're useless. Stop being scared. It's not scary. It is. When you make crash out of the game. Wait, we're in a game? I never do this. What's happening? I don't really like how it's going right now. That's better. What? I'm sitting. Never mind. I'm not sitting. I'm falling out. You're falling behind the schedule. Mother. My fake mother. Wait, you're out of chocolate? Yeah, why would I be here? Why are you going to do it anyway? Because I want to make up that Buses! My legs. Why did I say this? Let me light everything up. Stop! The lights are killing me! Double kill. Oh, I really miss Pierre for some reasons already. Okay, for some reasons to shut. My head! Well, good thing, Unravel. You got the most votes, and you're safe. Yeah! What is this? Get off me first. Let me start. Come back! It's champion! I got a car! This car doesn't do anything. I don't like this. Wait, just open it, put your hand in it. Wait. It doesn't do anything. See, you take it. Oh, just your prize. Oh, tomato, you can do this with your house. There's a masquerade gathering. The third one's for the person. Okay. It's his can for that. Car, get back! I actually know what to do with this thing. Go inside! Okay, let me put my hand in it. Let's see if Tomato is right about this. It's yeah, you break it. Sorry, I didn't want it. You're coming in. Anyways, now it's time to wow. Oh my god, Bottom 2. I didn't get the Bottom 2. I didn't get to beat him last time. Kurt, stay. Oh my god, I'm driving. Wait. Get this car. This car found. Wait, I need the car. Get here. My car is back. Yay. It's gonna feel. It's a anyways, this is the first time we're here ever because you both got trophies. Wait, me and Tomato's supposed to get stop doing that. You just lost. Okay, the tiebreaker is not so far. I guess. Well, the person who was in the bottom 3 when it was the winning part, you get it. He doesn't deserve to win again. I use my win token. Wait. Where are they? You gave them all to Apple. What? No! I didn't need to give all of them. Why did I do this? I have something special. That broke my bones. But it didn't hurt that much. Yeah, I win. I'm so happy. Yippee, yeah. Bye, loser. I was the team unit. I don't deserve to get out. What are you talking about? We're in a column again. It's because it's unfair, okay? Just me. Him, and me. How are we gonna win? Do we have to swim or something? I see a button up there. What do we do with it? Yeah, I was only wondering. Come back and some fans of it's not. Though, it's not like that. Okay, so today's challenge is to find a button. There's only 5 buttons. 5, but there's 16. Oh my god, let him explain. Get back up. Pineapple, what are you doing? Sorry, I wanted some space. They were too close. Anyways, your challenge is to press a button in this map. The team to not press a button is up for elimination. Oh my god, I knew it! Yeah, I knew the challenge is about these buttons. Go! We need to begin the challenge. We need to do it fast. Guys, we have to be serious. Yeah, we have to be... What was this? What's that? I cannot be serious right now. What's that thing? Just a child, I don't know. Let me see. I don't see anything. Yeah, it disappeared. It was here for like a millisecond. What did we do then? What button do we get? We're getting that button. You guys are not coming. Let's just search. Oh yeah, I see that one, but they're taking it. Can we get it? Stop. Get off me. We need to get potato. Yeah, let's go. Whee. Here it is. Just save you or something. Okay, if we want to wait. Wait, there's a button over there. There's a button over there. There's a button over here. Look, it's so easy to press. We need to get it. Yeah, remember guys, teamwork is the best thing ever. Let's go anyway. Yes, we need to go. Cherry, get out of my way. Hey, I want to go first. Oh no, I can't swim. Don't worry, we'll stay here instead. Yeah. Get off. How do we get that button then? We'll get it. Get out. We need to grab it. Ah, guys, run away! We need to press the button. Oh, it's there. I'll do it, guys. Oh my god, does corn look like me? No, you're just imagining. Hey, apple. Hey, apple. Hey, apple. Hey, apple. I'm not listening to you. Also, get out of here. We are flying! No, corn! Corn died! We have to care about them right now. Fear, I escaped the bag. No! Friends! I'm not getting our bots. I want to press. I don't want to be pressed. Let me do something for you. Hey, Corinne! Hey, Corinne! Oh my god, where's Corn? He died. Oh no, it's only the 3 of us. No, it's the 4 of us. I'm still alive. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I am there. Oh no! I need to get him. I'm suckable, so I must get him. That what is happening? Oh my god. It's my button. Host, we need to escape this button. I don't like this. It doesn't let me press it. Yes! Let's get the one that's on the water. I saw it. You swear? Yes. No, don't you actually dare. Fine. But we still need to get a button. Yes, you're right. But who's gonna go on the water instead? Get out of the way! Okay. How about I go underwater? No, how about you use all your lasers to press the buttons over there? So I have to swim there. Let's all swim. Just stop. We need to actually work serious, guys. Yes, people asked why are we crazy. I don't know how much. let me use my brain one because people can actually see where it's going. Wait, doesn't work underwater. It doesn't work underwater. I forgot. Oh, come on. Now we're never going to be able to finish this. Fine, I'll just use my legs. Now you get out of here. I forgot. I can't be in water for a long time. I stand gonna be. Let me stand on this, please. I might have another chance. Okay. Let me go first. Okay, let me point at the button first. Like this. Come on, I was so close. Try another attempt. You're the only person who can do it. Yeah, I'm believing in you, Just the Wolf. Everyone does in our team. Only go. Okay. Okay, while he's doing it, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just gonna relax. I'm gonna see how he's doing it. No, I'm gonna do it. Get out! Ow! You messed it up! I nearly did it. I was like 1 millimeter close. Let's steal theirs. Are you crazy? How are we gonna do this? You're a child, you can break, and what do I do? You're a YouTuber. You might be able to be friends with them. Well, you're right. Let's go then! Not all the time, but anyways, what's our plan? Why did you get orange? He's over like there. Let's go then. What are you doing? Get out. Hey, don't steal ours. I'm yelling. Oh my god, there's so much people on the water now. Okay, I'm back. Okay, Narendra, well, it's your turn. That's what I thought. Get out before I shoot you. What do we do? I told you there's drug. Guys, calm it down. No! You're gonna steal ours. And that's what you get for not joining our team. Oh, come on, guys. Couldn't I just join Pier? Pier's not here anymore. Well, sorry. It's not my problem. I just want to be with someone that looks like me. He's right. Yes. And you shot a tomato! Where did you go away? Fine. So what's our plan, guys? Who can breathe underwater? Wait, guys, you're forgetting about me! Wait! Which button do we press? Wait! I don't know. Let's press the one that's on the top over there. Are you crazy? Let's just go like everyone underwater. Yeah, let's do that. Guys, help me! I can't swim. Oh my god, fine, I'll help you. Hey, don't be mean, bestie. Okay, now I can swim. Yeah, try to swim. Oh my god, you're so strong. Yes, let's go. Stop, guys. We need to do something. How about we go to them? We're all girls. They can't hit us. Yep, you're right. That's a good idea. Peach. Yippee! I'm finally useful. Ow! Hi, guys. Guys, wait for me. Where's my teammates? Wait, host, you said that you're gonna give me a new outfit. You lied to me. Oh, wait. Sorry. Let me change you. Oh, wow. It looks so much better like this. Oh, wow. You look awesome. I want a new outfit. If you win this challenge, why do you have to win this challenge all the time? Okay, now you're gonna care about the challenge. I don't have to do anything. Oh my god, we're forgetting about 2 people. Hey, come. Wait. Come here. That button was already pressed. We cannot press it anymore. Yep. I'm gonna remove it. No! Oh, why did you remove it? That was already pressed! What a dumb question. Yeah, guys, I did that. I can't handle this anymore. Okay, they're forgetting about one person, but I don't know who that person is. Okay, so we have to get up. Yes, but we have to get unrotten. The webs for Evs. You're the only one who's unrotten. So you stand here. Why me? Oh my god, that's much better. Yep, you're right. Yeah, but you're standing second. Why me? I don't know. Oh, I'm not this again. I'm back. Robot, come on. We don't know how to stand in a tower. We're gonna lose this challenge. We need 4 people maximum. You're right. That's true. Tomato, how about you go? Why me? Because you can breathe underwater, I know. How do you expect me to do this? You're in the can with nothing, only air? But how do you get air anyway? No, you're not finding out. You're not finding out. I can breathe underwater. Yeah, you guessed it right. I'm going. Yes, go tomato. Go tomato. No! Tomato is going, guys! What do we do? Oh my god. Get her! Get her, of course. Why I'm just... I'm winning for my team! I'm not losing! Yeah, I'm safe! Good job, man, Sony. You're finally safe! We're there, nearly. Well, guys, we don't have a button already! Oh, wait, I'm not supposed to talk to you. I'm here! I'm here! Why do you always say Kukubeat so much? I don't know, he's my fella. I met him, like, I don't know when. Like, long time ago. It doesn't work! It was 2,763 attempts already! What do we do then? I don't know. Hi guys, can we... Now what are you doing? You got... English or Spanish? That's better. Now, guys, let's go. Bro, how does that work, Cactus? You're a genius. I know this trend. Everyone told me about this trend. And I always have to, like, you know, stand like that. We're back. Ugh. Good thing you're not rotten anymore. Yeah, we need to get a button. Wait, yeah. Be serious. Just like Random said. Don't go here. Yep. Now it was 2,788 attempts. Okay, I'm not doing this. I'm done. Come on, don't give up. Never gonna give you up. Anyways, I lost my arms again. That when the heck you lost your arms? What? Don't hit me. Okay, let's just go. The button is up there, but I see one up there on the ceiling. Over here. And why does it look like this? That's better. I don't think we should press that button. It says a cross. I'm still pressing it. Just don't. Why, guys? Gooseberry, stop pushing everybody. They want to run by themselves. Hey! That's what you deserve. Killing you, lemon. Thank you, orange. Yeah, right here. Now we need to get up there. But it's like 20 meters away from us. What do we do? Wait, how did we break orange? Hey, don't break me! Don't you dare break my body! Okay, I'm just kidding. I just want to throw this whole body in so you press the button. Well, that's a smart idea, actually. Lemon. Your body's already... Cactuses! What? They're drowning so slowly! My cactuses! I'm turning yellow and I feel better. Well, I'm help me get up, guys. Let me help you. My pot! I'm out of my pot again! Okay, I don't think I can carry this thing anymore. Okay, let me help you. Whee, thank you so much. Is there anything on this island? So how do we get up there? I don't have any idea. Oh my god, that's our chance. Cool power, you can climb up that way. I can. Oh ho ho. This is gonna be fun. Let's do it! I knew there was gonna be something useful for you. Oh, that's my teammate. You're not going anyway. This is our button. You never pressed it. Ow! How are you so strong already? Guys, watch out! I can beat him up in one hand. Are you sure one hand? You need 2 hands to beat me up. Yes, I can beat you up. My hand. Lol, you cannot beat me up anymore. What's that? That's a knife. Don't you know what a knife is? Ow! That hurts! Oh, my head. Ugh, I'm still alive. Hey, you can do it. Hey, you can do it. Why are you standing on me? You know what? I'm giving up. Unless I got something. Let me get up. Phew. Now I have to go there. This is gonna be not easy, but I don't care. Wee! This is my chance. Now it's your chance. I'm gonna fall. You're safe. Yippee! We didn't get them. Come on, there's no buttons on this island anymore. There's only 2 buttons left, but there's 3 teams. We need to get buttons. You mean button? Let's just go back, I guess. Yeah, let's steal their button. Yep. You grab it. Just get out. Webs forever. Just let us stand on you. Fine.
Oh, I'm feeling that person. Wow, that's so beautiful.
No, I need to get out. But how am I gonna get out? Get off. Oh, Robert, wait, how are you doing that? I don't know. What are you talking about anyway? Let's go back.
Whee!
Yes, same! I also see the button. Let's go under the water. But I'm not going underwater. I didn't say. I don't have any hands. So either Cactus or Peach can go. Cactus, I don't know where she is. So Peach, you're going. Oh, come on. Fine. Fine, now stop. Fine, you're safe. Yeah. But no, they're safe. So who will be losing today? The strongest team or not random? It doesn't have to be us, guys. We lost already. I don't want to lose. Dad got chopped off. Robot died.
Well, I'm allowed to be here, and I'm standing up.
So I'm gonna stand here. That's so awesome. But we don't care, Robot. Just stand on him.
What the heck would I want to stop?
I don't wanna stop. My body's not recovered. It's someone ate me. Don't worry, it's fine. Just stand. Well, no, I got just. How much you stand? Why? Because now let me do something. Finally, it's not like you were the boss. Fine, you asked me to. It's something fine. It's something fine. Stop on me, or else we're gonna fall. Whee! Whee! We're so close. Wow, I'm too close. It's now, guys, stop yelling. Just stop yelling. It's annoying. It's breaking my ears. We're already broke. So there's no chance we can get there, but of course we cannot. Let's go! Let's go! Ah! The strongest team is coming, guys. We need to do it fast. Ow, you hurt me. I'm still not getting recovered after I got bit. I got bit and someone ate me. I hate this day. Don't worry, it's fine. We need like something at least. No, we cannot do it anymore. Look how big their stack is. You know what, Orange? Oh, your fault. We had to get you. Now what did I do? Get out of here. Is that Orange's head, and why is it back to normal? Don't you dare touch me! Oh, Apple. Hey, Apple, help. We need it! Whoops for abs! Knocked out now. And my leg! I don't think I can stand much longer. Come on, whips for abs. You have to keep it going. Actually, don't. Now I'm gonna put it on Plum's head and jump. Why did you do stuff like that? Well, anyways, you guys are safe. Hey, I wasn't gonna hit you. No! At least we won. Yep, you're right. Strongest team, you lose. No, it doesn't fair. Orange, why is your body back to normal? Don't know. You killed me. And finally, a new team is up for voting. What do you mean, new team? Melon Soda and not Cannon were losing currently. And yeah. Anyways, we're gonna have the voting. No, I am so scared. Anyway, so these guys lose. So yeah, this time is vote the middleman. The third most voted person is out. Sorry if I'm doing this again. I wanted to do it last time, but there was 4 people. There was no middleman. I'm the middleman right now. I wish I'm not out. But you're not. No, there's no votes. Anyways, I can just vote somebody, please. I need the votes. Like, I need the votes. You heard the rules. The middle guy is out. The third guy is out. So that we started on it. Ow, you hurt me.